Ever found yourself staring at an empty drive bay in your server, wondering how to fill that void with more storage? Well, this little piece of metal, the 00FC519 2.5 hard drive bracket, might just be the unsung hero you need. It's a non-hot plug bracket, which means it's designed for those internal expansions where you don't need to swap drives on the fly. Think of it as a permanent home for your solid-state drives or smaller form-factor hard drives within your server chassis. Now, it might seem like a simple bracket, and in many ways it is. But its importance shouldn't be underestimated. A good bracket ensures your drive is securely mounted, preventing vibrations and potential damage. This particular model, the 00FC519, is built for 2.5-inch drives, which are common in many server environments, especially when space is at a premium. The build quality feels solid. It's not flimsy plastic that's going to bend under pressure. It's made of metal, giving you that reassuring sense of durability. Installation is straightforward. You typically screw the drive onto the bracket first, and then the bracket itself mounts into your server's drive bay. The non-hot plug nature means you'll need to power down your server to install or remove a drive using this bracket, which is standard for internal, non-critical storage additions. It's not designed for the quick swap convenience of hot plug bays, and that's perfectly fine for its intended purpose. It's about adding reliable, fixed storage. Performance-wise, a bracket doesn't directly impact read or write speeds, but a secure mount ensures consistent connection and minimizes the risk of data corruption due to movement. This bracket does its job perfectly in that regard. It holds the drive firmly in place, allowing the drive itself to perform at its best without any physical interference. For anyone looking to expand their server's storage capacity with 2.5-inch drives, this bracket is a no-nonsense, reliable solution. It's a small component, but it plays a crucial role in the overall stability and expandability of your system. So, if you're building out a server or upgrading existing storage and need a dependable way to house your 2.5-inch drives, the 00FC519 is a solid choice. It's a functional, well-built piece of hardware that gets the job done without any fuss.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.